Absolutely love riding at night and in the mornings as well. It is awesome. I hope you guys can hear the air filter and the exhaust working together to create a beautiful bassy sound. It's just beautiful. The bike really like roars in its true essence when you just let the throttle just out. Oh man, it just feels awesome. Cruising in the cities, it is just an amazing experience. I'm telling you, if you ever feel a little down, because who wouldn't, because of this stupid COVID pandemic, just hop on your motorcycles if you have one and just go on a drive. It would truly cheer your mood up and it will be awesome. Trust your machine.